You use every day maybe email. I use every day as email. I know you also use every day as email. So what you know about that? How email edit when you try to text something like that? Hey, let's say, hey, what's up? Then we tell something and the word is service. Wha- But how? This looks like magic. But no, this is all system design. Is the LLM, generative AI. So today I'm trying to solve this question. So as a study system design. So here the generative AI system design interview. Gen. So end-to-end design. So first of all, what is the Gmail Smart Compose? Gmail uses this and they like that. You type hi Adil, I hope you then this suggests you already would. But how this suggests? This is the problem. This is the question. This sounds simple, but building email scarce, enabling users, spending. So this is difficult. I know. You also think. So how can we do that? Let's try to do indeed. And step one, clarify requirement. Like we need to first understand as a senior engineer, always ask the certain requirement before design. Yes, as we are senior engineer, we need to before we solve any problem or any doing something project, we need to first ask this question. First of all, now we should need to ask: should suggestion be the personalized per user? We need to ask the when interviewer we take our interview, we need to ask this type of question. Then they give some answer. Okay, no, we don't need to keep this. Okay, remove the personalized remote. So what is matter? Because we do need to add this, so we can remove it before we start to design the system. Should status only appear on the confidence? Yes. Says model is confidence. Okay, okay, we can add this. How do I train this data set? 1 billion email messages. This is lot enough data fine-tuning largest transformer. Oh, that's good. What contain user from prediction? We start with the email body only. Okay, we just take email body. Okay, not name. Okay. What language does this support? Okay, they tag one to English, but after we can add much, most the system avoid bias. Okay, yes, critical requirement. Okay, so how many use we have that type of user like 1.8 billion users is a lot of user. As a big company, big crowd. Real time or batch results? Okay, real time. We want to real time. Okay, that is the okay. Okay, senior. Accent is about the bias interview. You can read it, and she. Okay, then step two. Frame as the ML talks. Okay, step two. Now we frame as the ML talk. This is ML talks or not? We first need to understand this is real ML talks. Okay, this is we can English. But if we can do something like SQL with query to solve some problem, then we don't need to ML. So, but this is ML problem like Hajam, Smart, and you will do. That is the prediction system. Uh, Components, this input, this stats, and they prediction this output. That is the part. More category, they predict the token or provide the token. Okay, that's as simple. And we have this. If we open the text type of data set, we have the true option LLM. When we work with the LLM or NLP, we can work with RNN. That was old, but transformer is new. But transformer, we know the difference. I hope transformer is the most useful for us, because transformer have a memory. They can understand more like RNNs. Is better than RNN because some reason there's I right here. Sequence token at the time, parallel, they can pause, they can use GPU faster. Um, yeah, ChatGPT and Cloud they were trained on this. Okay. Git friendly analysis as you can understand this. Aaron read an email like you are whispering long message through the telephones and business. Interviewer Crave mentioned. Transfer have one weakness. This self-attention mechanism. Okay, we know the self-attention. I hope you know. And this is time complexity. And this is the big problem. But we say the same 100 millisecond. Okay, this is the one problem. Okay, data preparation, data source. There is a we can take two types of data. One is the email, and second is the generative text. So pre-training and fine-tune. First we train this our model, general data set, then we fine-tune, like expert make an expert for email. So okay, this is the fine-tune. Okay, text link. Okay, where I'm going. Okay, this text clean and normalization. No text noise before tokenize. We clean and normalize. We know about this where ML. We should be do that. Okay, remove non-English text. So if we don't find anyone's like we using Bengali or Hindi, anything else, so we just need to remove confidential information like someone's email, someone's number, or anything. Okay, remove irrelevant character. As character we need to remove duplicate, remove normalization formatting. That's okay. This is number we use this one, we just normalize. Okay, that's this. And then we have tokenization. We need the text to convert as a number. As we know, as an ML engineer or AI engineer, we need to ML not understand the text. So we need to go to the text to number. Sure. Okay, token. So there is a text tokenization. Here is the tokenization. How is it work? I will explain here. Character level tokenization. We have to like character LED. Let's go. So this is character based. I hope you understand watching this image. So let's see. Another one is a word level tokenization. Okay. So we need to like a word separate. Let's go. Okay. I hope you understood. Then we have subword level tokenization. This is also one tokenization. Let's the like this is similar like a word, but they one catch they define. I will explain after that. Okay, let's see. I will character wise. This is vocabulary size, handle new word, yes, and pool. A performance pool alone. This is not meaning like want. It's definitely harsh to understand. This is a word. So what is get? Get but right. Okay. Yes. Then subword is most useful is of that because we have the word is happy and unhappy is most unused word. Like everyone use happy, unhappy. Unhappy is something okay. It's not usable. We have to this unhappy. So happily. So we just ly. We just remove. We get another one. This unhappy. This is usable word. Okay. So this is subword. We use the subword. I hope you understand. Subword win. Here I explain what is win and model understands subword as model was able to handle way to work by breaking the ones into the meaning the part uses like this way. So, token index. So city three. So theory is chapter and three and domains part three and chapter two is D. Okay, let's get another. So after tokenization is subway token is convert the ID. So we need to go as ID. Is mean zero. We say subvert. Subvert we to down zero hours like this ID. We then preview that. So space. After that, let's go. This is tokenization. We still then we step 4. About 10 minutes ago. Step 4. We transformer now model building is the one of the tough situation. Encoding only transformation production criteria. So here the decoding only good and healthy. Decoding only transformer. I hope you were. So this is the decoding and encoding and decoding is the both and working. This and like this is the chart. Encoding is a Bard, Google Bard or Meta kids and encoding is a generative. Everyone's know about this generative AI. Everyone using decoding. Okay. Decoding and encoding is so rare.